Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. We are going to talk about an exciting subject today, putting resources into the securities exchange and how to start fabricating a beneficial portfolio. In this video, we'll go over the fundamentals of investing in the stock market, give beginners advice, and show you how to build a portfolio that can help you reach your financial goals. In this way, how about we get everything rolling? Investing in the stock market can be a rewarding endeavor with the right knowledge and strategies, despite the fact that it may initially appear daunting. The stock market provides opportunities for long-term financial development and the creation of wealth. You can potentially earn attractive returns over time by investing in carefully selected stocks. The most important phase in putting resources into the financial exchange is to teach yourself about how it functions. Figure out the essentials of stocks, like market capitalization, profits, and cost-to-income proportion. Get to know different venture methodologies, for example, esteem effective financial planning and development contributing, to find a methodology that lines up with your objectives and chance resistance. It is time to begin building your portfolio once you have a solid understanding of the stock market. In order to minimize risk and maximize returns, diversification is essential. Invest in a wide range of stocks from various sectors and industries. This can assist with alleviating the effect of any single stock's presentation on your general portfolio. To strike a balance between stability and potential growth, think about including both established businesses and promising growth stocks. When selecting stocks for your portfolio, research is essential. Examine a business's financial health, its position in the market, and any potential dangers. Search for organizations with a history of predictable income development and a solid supervisory crew. Furthermore, watch out for market patterns and news that could affect the exhibition of explicit stocks or ventures. As a fledgling financial backer, having a drawn-out perspective is fundamental. In the short term, the stock market can be volatile, but over time, it has historically offered attractive returns. Avoid acting impulsively based on short-term market fluctuations and remain focused on your investment objectives. Keep in mind that investing is not a sprint but a marathon. Let's now talk about some useful advice for investing in the stock market. 1. Make a budget first. Find out how much you can afford to invest without putting your financial security in jeopardy. Keep to your budget and set aside a specific amount for investing. 2. Take a look at a brokerage account. Set up an account at a reputable brokerage that has a user-friendly platform and reasonable fees. Find a brokerage that meets your requirements by looking into the various options. 3. Cost averaging in dollars. Consider regularly investing a set amount, regardless of market conditions. This system decreases the effect of market instability and permits you to purchase more offers when costs are low. 4. Stay up to date. Learn as much as you can about the businesses in your portfolio and the market as a whole. Consistently survey your speculations and make changes as required. I want to stress the significance of patience and discipline in stock market investing before we wrap up this video. Building a productive portfolio takes time and requires a drawn-out responsibility. Be ready to weather market ups and downs, keep your portfolio well diversified, and remain focused on your goals. Much obliged to you for observing the present video on putting resources into the financial exchange and building a productive portfolio. I hope the information was helpful to you and that it has given you more confidence to begin your investment journey. In the event that you partook in this video, kindly offer it a go-ahead and consider buying into our feed for more significant substance like this. Keep in mind that you can set yourself up for financial success with knowledge, patience, and smart decision-making. As this video comes to an end, I'd like to leave you with one of Warren Buffett's famous lines: "The stock market is a way to get money from those who are impatient to those who are patient." The significance of considering the long term and remaining committed to our investment strategies is brought to our attention by this quote. Keep in mind that investing in the stock market is a journey that involves learning and adapting constantly. Look for direction from monetary experts if necessary and consistently address any outstanding concerns prior to pursuing venture choices. Note: include a disclaimer stating that investing in the stock market carries risks and that viewers should conduct their own research or consult a financial advisor prior to making any investment decisions when discussing investment topics. On the off chance that you have any inquiries or might want to impart your own encounters to putting resources into the financial exchange, kindly leave a remark beneath. I'd very much want to hear from you. Again, many thanks for watching, and happy investing for the upcoming installment.